If your goal is to use your diagram in a presentation or report, you'll want to make sure your diagram looks professional. One of the ways SmartDraw can help tidy up an unruly collection of shapes is the Make Same Size command. Let's say that after a brainstorming session, you have a mind map with a series of boxes with all different widths and heights. It looks like a mess. Before presenting it to your management team, you want to clean it up. Pick a box you want all the other boxes to look like. You'll want to pick one that could fit the content of the box with the most text. Next, while holding down Shift, click on each box in the sequence. Make sure to click on the box you want the others to be identical to last. This last box will have black selection handles around it, while all the other boxes will have hollow selection handles. Now, from the Home tab, select Make Same. You can choose whether you want the boxes to have the same height, width, or both. It's that easy.